Alrighty, what is going on, everybody? Been a little while since I've been on the bike. We've had a lot of rain here. I was gonna hop on the bike. It looked kind of nice the other day, all day, and I was gonna hop on the bike and ride over there and take that picture in the evening. And when I went to go get on my bike, it started pouring down rain. So it rained a little bit yesterday. Today we haven't gotten any rain so far, but I'm just heading down to the store. I'm gonna grill some burgers tonight. So let's see. I don't know what the temperature is. My watch was on charge and I walked out of the house and left it. But it's not too bad today. Haven't been up to a whole lot. Our sound bar went out on our TV. I think we had a Vizio sound bar. We've had it for years. And it was a 2.1, I believe, a Vizio 2.1 sound bar, and it went out, and so we were sitting there watching TV, and we used the TV speakers, and we just looked at each other and we said, this just doesn't sound right. It's amazing the difference it makes when you've been watching TV on a sound bar, and then all of a sudden you don't have it. Big difference. And so I went up to Walmart and I got a Vizio. I don't know the exact specs on it, but I know it's the Vizio 5.1. And what that is, from my understanding, I don't know a whole lot about them, but it comes with 2 extra speakers that you can put, you know, anywhere in the room. So you got surround sound. And let me tell you something, that's a big difference from the sound bar we had. Having that surround sound, it sounds wonderful. So it makes watching the shows and movies, it's different with all that sound and everything. So we've enjoyed that. It was around $200, that sound bar, but I can tell a big difference between that one and the one we had. But let's see, I've made a couple math videos. I posted our round 4 tournament on our mini putt-putt. I've been playing quite a bit in the Discord group. That's been fun. Been getting a lot better too, playing against those guys. They know the shots you need to make, little tricks and stuff to get on the green quicker. They don't always work. You know, if you don't hit it right, you're gonna lose a shot. But you know, it's still nice to know all that stuff. So been doing that, and I've gotten better. So been breaking my course records quite a bit. I'll probably play in there again tonight. I'm gonna get my brother and dad to play in there with me tonight. I think we're all 3 gonna get on the Discord and play. But yeah, that round 4 tournament's posted. They did update the recording features in the Oculus headset. I can record widescreen now, so I'm kind of anxious to try that out. And you know, I've been posting my VR recordings on this bike channel, and I've been thinking, should I keep posting them every now and then to the bike channel, or do you think I should start another channel with just those and don't post any more of those to the bike channel? I would like to know. I wouldn't mind hearing what everybody thinks in the comments, if you could let me know. But yeah, that's something I've been thinking about. So we're here. I'm gonna go in here and grab the hamburger meat, the buns. My daughter wants fries. I don't know if I'll be able to fit everything in my saddlebags, but we will try. Need to get me one of those milk crates right there. I just don't know where to get them from though. So, but yeah, let's see. I need to see if I can see how this is gonna go. All right, I need my key. Where's my keys? I need to clean this thing out. There's my alarm. I got too much crap in here. There's my key. All right, let's see what we got here. Yeah, I think we'll be able to. Well, nope. Yeah, it'll fit. There we go. That wasn't bad. All right. So, got my key, alarm, and there we go. They got the best hamburger meat up here. I am gonna grill if I want to get some sausage. I'm usually the only one that eats it. But we will get that right there is pretty good, that Hillshire beef. Alright, so we got some premium ground chuck, 1.41 pounds. Let's see. I want to get the biggest one. I gotta make 3 hamburgers. Looks like it's gonna be this one. We'll get that. And then, of course, we gotta get the Arby fries. Those are the best. And some hamburger buns. There they are. I think I can fit everything in there, hopefully. If not, I'll be carrying stuff. Alright, so we're gonna get this. Let's see, what's the date on that? September the 3rd. Whoop. I'm dropping everything. See if I can find it better. I'll pick it up. There's September 6th. Alright, put that one back. Let's go check out.
Alright, have a
thank you.
Bye.
You too. Alright, now let's see what we can do here. I remembered to turn my alarm off. So let's see, can we? No, I don't know. Look at that. All that fit. Did I get everything? Yeah, look at that. I was worried about it fitting. And hamburger meat, sausage, and the fries fitting one side. I'm gonna put the bread over here. Shove the key back down in there. All right, now we'll get home. Sanitize hands. And we are off. Here we go. Home to fire up the grill. No, my daughter said to get some fries, and I said, well, I don't think I'm gonna have enough room. And my wife said that she would go. And we could put, you know, whatever in her saddlebag. And her bike was about 75% charged, 70%, something like that. She was right around 50 volts. And I told her she could have made it. Now we would have went to that's a Max Fresh Market that we just left. And if you go back the other way, down that road, there's a Max Fresh Market. I've been to both and got videos posted on going to both of them. This one's a little bit closer than the other one. But going to the other one, you don't have to stop once you get on this road. You just ride on the shoulder. There's no sidewalk, but it has a wide shoulder. So we would have gone to that one. Because, you know, she hadn't got real good at stopping and starting. But yeah, she did say, I said, well, maybe we'll go riding tomorrow. And she said, okay, so maybe we'll go riding together tomorrow. We'll have to see. May go try to take that picture tomorrow and she can go with me. But no, other than what I talked about earlier, that's about all that's been happening around here. It's getting closer and closer to school starting back. We start back the Thursday after Labor Day. So that's when I go back. I've got to go every day. I have been last year. I was back face-to-face winter and spring quarter. And I only had classes on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I didn't have classes on Tuesdays and Thursdays. But one of the classes that I always teach in the fall, it's a 4-hour class, so it meets 4 days a week. So, and I've got all my dual enrollment teachers going. I've got all the stuff out to them. I've got, I think, 5 dual enrollment teachers that I oversee for the dual enrollment credit. The high school students can get college credit. So I've got that. They've already started school. But no, other than that, not a whole lot's going on. Hadn't been able to do a whole lot with the weather. But, you know, maybe it's going to slack off raining. We've got plenty of it. But, you know, I think I'm going to call it a video. I hope you enjoyed it. Check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, subscribe, comment. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Later.